Hello everyone. Today we are at Hannover Messe 2023 and we are with Mark. Hi Mark.
Good morning.
Mark is our commercial and industrial channels and segment president at Schneider Electric. And with Mark today we are going to start talking a bit about the different challenges that companies are facing today in this ever-evolving markets. So Mark, can you tell us a bit, based on your conversation you have with your customers, what are those challenges and what do they all have in common?
Okay, thank you, Sarah. I think it probably starts with supply chain, which has been an issue now for 2 or 3 years. And while I think we're getting past certain parts of the supply chain, we also have to include access to energy and affordable energy inside of that equation going forward. But I think if we look at the runway ahead and we start to look at the variety of issues as companies need to be more competitive, through automation, through AI, et cetera, I'd like to maybe bucketize it into maybe 3 categories. First category would be strategize, second category would be digitize, and the third and final category would be decarbonize. So inside the strategize, it's what is the company business problem that they're trying to solve most efficiently? Is it quality through visual inspection? Is it data management through AI, et cetera? And then we move to build out, as we go into the second category, digitize, we go into build out a secure power infrastructure that allows this asset or envelope of activity to happen with the most autonomy possible, allowing for the most agile, informed decisions to be made at the time. And then that leads us into decarbonization, right? So as we build out these more efficient and effective solutions, we need to make sure that in many of the boardrooms today, there's a lot of governance, a lot of concern, where we need to be more earth-friendly, sustainable going forward as we scale. So I think as we step back, then we put these 3 buckets of activity together, and it comes back and it has huge impact on supply chain itself, giving us more visibility in that whole network of business.
Thank you, Mark. So based on the energy consumption challenge that you set up, how the Easy UPS that you can just see here, the Easy UPS 3-phase modular, how do you think this new solution can help the customers today, to face those different challenges?
So I'm glad you asked, and I think it's a relatively straightforward answer. If you look at the Easy 3-phase UPS, right, look at the 3 buckets of activity we just discussed. I think in this fast-moving modernization of how we create autonomy inside an asset called a facility or an industrial plant, I think I'd like to raise just two topics, right? The first one would be its modular format. So it's going to be a pay-as-you-go, pay-as-you-grow type of format, which really talks straight into the face of sustainability as well. And then second one, as we're looking at this access to energy, life is on, it needs to be in a more resilient, connected format. So these connected products, right, driving on-prem decisions, they need to have 7/24 reliability. And I think the N+1 resiliency built inside of the Easy 3 UPS is how we do that.
Super, that's clear. Thank you, Mark. And thank you for being here with us at Hannover Messe 2023.
Thank you, Sarah.